Why does my video get stuck at 0% when I try to upload it to YouTube? What a great question. Hi there, Rebecca and Raymond. There could be many reasons why the video you try to upload gets stuck at 0% on YouTube. The main reason I can think of is that it might be quite large, and luckily there is a way to solve that. I have a habit whereby I reduce the weight of each video I make so it's a lighter weight before uploading to YouTube. The software I love and use is free and is called Handbrake. Pop over to their website at handbrake.fr. It's a French website but written in English. Download the software to your computer, install the software, and now open it when you're ready. And a dialog box should open where you can just select the video file. When I open up Handbrake, I select the video that I want by clicking on Open Source if I didn't already have a dialog box. And then down the bottom here where it says Save As, I always go to the end of the file name and put a dash, and I put LQ for lower quality, which lets me know it's a less weighty version. Once I've done that, and I can click on Browse and select where I want it to go, which I will do now. I'll put it into the right folder. I'll choose, and then back on Handbrake, I click on the Start button. The video has almost finished converting. Only a couple of seconds to go. Okay, it's done. So let's pop back over to the desktop, and here you can see the main file that I started with. The video was 451.8 megabyte, and the new version that I've got the LQ at the end, it's down to 68.8 megabytes. Wow, fantastic. Now I have a lighter version of my video. I can go ahead and upload it to YouTube. I hope this helps. Please do keep me posted, and please do ask me questions if you need to. I'd love to hear from you. This has been Frequently Asked Question FAQ 009. If you like this video, you might like to click the like button, and if you want to know when there's more videos coming up, click on the subscribe button and the little bell, which will let you know whenever there's a new video from me. Cheerio for now. This is Tina from teenahughesonlinedotcom, and I hope this solves your YouTube video problem where they get stuck at 0% on upload. Ciao ciao for now. See you in the next video. And don't forget, if you've got questions, let me know and I'll make a video for you. Bye-bye.